Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. A dead bee in a jam bottle costed a food company or food manufacturer to pay 20,000 as compensation under Consumer Protection Act. So the headlines came like this: the dead bee in jam bottle costs rupees 20,000 for the heritage foods. Right. So it's a consumer case, as all of you know. Consumer Protection Act has been amended in the restructured in the year 2019. So now it has become very powerful act. Of course, this dispute is in 2014 when the old act is in force. So jocularly, I will be cracking jokes in the classes, always saying that why do women go to DMart? Because of the offer. That's all. Why you go to BMR jewelry? Offer, Ashadam sale in South India Mall. So likewise, I will be cracking jokes jocularly, not for any, I am not against to those DMart and other things. But when offers are raining in, normally you go. Likewise, this heritage branch, Karmanghat Hyderabad, they have also played an offer, or they have also put up an offer regarding the jam bottles. Normally, I purchase Kisan jam bottles. Right from the beginning, I was habituated for that. So, this heritage company, they have also, maybe they might have manufactured or they might have purchased. Anyway, they have kept the jam bottles for offer in 2014. What is the offer? Buy one, get one. That means if you purchase one bottle of jam, you will get the other bottle free. So our friend Mr. D. Jaipal Reddy of Hyderabad. So he went to Karmanghat branch of Heritage and purchased 2 jam bottles under the scheme buy one, get one. This happened in the year, please remember, 2014, right? So after going home, when he tried to open, it definitely takes a lot of time to open the same. First of all, you have to cut it with a knife, then only it will open. Then he found the dead body or the dead bee in the jam. So definitely, it is a defect. So they have to clear, they have to neatly maintain the. Otherwise, if you see a bee in the jam, what happens? Very ugly thing. Immediately, he went back to the stores and showed them. Of course, they agreed. They said that they will look into the matter. They have to consult the higher officers or something like that. Right? But his plea was not taken care of. He was not given any fresh bottle. So, aggrieved by the act of the Heritage Foods, then what he has done? He has filed a complaint before the District Forum, DCDRC, District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum. So, they have filed. And actually, they were satisfied with the arguments of the so-called petitioner, and they awarded 20,000 compensation to the complainant, and that Heritage has to supply 4 bottles of jam freely. This is the decision. So agreed by the decision of the DCDRC, so the Heritage Foods, they have filed an appeal before the State Commission. So here the important point is, you have to hear the arguments on behalf of the Heritage. What they said is, so the Heritage, the advocate argued or pleaded that the customer planted the bee, which is a foreign object, inside the bottle, and he wants to make an unlawful gain. But please remember, the State Commission, even the DCDRs also did not accept, and definitely he has to pay the fine. So the finding of the State Commission, Justice M.K. Jaiswal retired and Madam Member Meena Ramanathan said that no customer would capture a bee for keeping it for the purpose of planting it. Is it possible? So please remember, even arguments, they must be with logic. Without logic, if you want to argue, for the sake of argument, if you say that we don't know that he has put the B, who will accept? Ultimately, this has costed them to pay the 20,000 as well as 3,000 costs awarded to the consumer. But of course, the award of giving the 4 fresh bottles was struck down by the state commission, because he may find some other bees in those bottles also. Better to wind up the thing there itself. So, very good award by the state commission. Of course, it is it happened in Hyderabad city. So for consumer advocates, please take it as an example. Go to the concerned newspaper clipping and you will get it, and you can file it in the consumer court if necessary. So here, please remember, it is a defect, not deficiency. It is a defect in the product. Definitely, they are liable to repay or replace, but they have not done anything. Therefore, he has to go to the honorable this is DCDRC. Even though they went an appeal, it turned against them. Very good order by the consumer courts. Please remember, now and then I will be telling you all these things. So make a note of things and enrich your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.